Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a lippy video. I don't have my nails on, I know. Today I got the PR from CoverGirl, which they launched a whole bunch of lipstick shades, metallic, shimmery. I don't know what the other one is. Let me check them out, then I'll let you guys know because I just had a brain fart. But I'm so excited to try them out. I am so excited. And well, I'm going to show you guys the package, so keep watching. The package that we got in the mail. I'll show you a little clip because it's too big. As you guys probably see right here, I'm going to be posting a picture. They sent some lip liners. I'm going to try it out. Oh my god, look at these. Because I've never tried CoverGirl's eyeliners or lip liners. So I'm just going to swatch this. Oh, it's so creamy and smooth. Okay. Okay, they are drying. So the reason I went like that was to see how it applied, like if I didn't apply the lipstick. So now I'm gonna get to the lipstick. I'm just gonna pick 3 different shades. So first I want to try a metallic one, which this one's a pink one. So this is a metallic one, and the color of this is 510 Call Me. Call me maybe. Girl, I like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna try a white one. I don't like this one too much, but if you remove a little. I'm gonna be trying 375, which they have the color right here, and this one is one of their cream colors. The metallic ones are really like not liquidy, but they're really creamy as well. So I'm thinking these ones are gonna feel kind of the same, but they're just not gonna have glitter on them. I don't know, I'm just thinking. I have a feeling that's how the matte ones are gonna feel, but they're just gonna dry. Okay, this one has like shimmer on it. These ones look metallic-y too. See, those ones, I felt like they were going to be called like, they should be more like glittery. They are metallic-y. These ones are cream, but it's not like a simple cream. It's like glittery. Not glittery, but it's a bit shiny. I really like it though. It's like a metallic-y cream color. I really like it. Let me try a bright red one. This one's Seduce. I really like the name because I feel like red is more like a seduce color. Red's like a sexy color. This one is Seduce because you could seduce someone with this color. I really kind of don't like cream colors, especially if they're red, because I feel like I'm gonna get them all over the place when I eat. Then I get it right here. But this is very pretty. This is like something I would wear when I had blonde hair. I used to buy them from MAC, but I stopped liking MAC. Some of you guys were telling me to give MAC a second chance because I'm always talking. It's not that I'm talking bad. I mean, I've only tried their lipstick, so. But I just don't like wasting money on like expensive products when I could get something at like CoverGirl, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Profusion, Elf for way cheaper. And I'm really starting to like metallic and glowy colors, but the cream colors I really need to get used to because I have a lot of those from Avon. I really like their cream colors, but I'm so used to matte and metallic-y colors like lip glosses type of deal that it's hard for me to use cream colors, but I really do like them because they're easier to apply. I do use them when I'm going natural, so the next one I'm gonna try another cream color and use it as if I was using it like more naturally, like not so much on my lips because they do stain your lips anyways. Not like stain, but you're applying color, so like you have the lip color on you. So this is matte. I don't know if I should wait until it dries a little bit and see how it looks, and then just swatch some more on my hand so you guys could see the shade of it. So I'm just gonna wait with it on my lips to see how it dries. Steel, which is like a purplish metallic color. And I am going to be putting it on my hand. See, it is metallic-y, you guys could see. It doesn't have a lot of glitter. I thought all of the metallic ones were gonna have like a lot of glitter. You guys know what I mean. This one stopped the press. Don't you guys hate when that happens? When the light hits it? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be putting the one I used first, which was Call Me. This one has like a more glitter tone. And I'm gonna be putting the other one that's like super white, or maybe it's just on the lips, because this one I didn't like how it looked on the lips. Right here, as I swatch them, they look different, but some of them, sorry, I'm giving you like my, so yeah, you could kind of tell with this one. Well, exactly how they look right here, they look on the lips, except the pink one. So let me just try. Oh, I remove it. Oh my god, it's stuck in there because it's obviously because it's matte. My lips are gonna kill me after this. I want to try one of their metallic ones. Is this the light one? Yeah. Oh my god. I'm thinking the white one is the only one. Well, it looks white, but it's called Razzle Dazzle. It's the only one that looks too exaggerated because it's white. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I was trying to prove a point that maybe they look different in my lips, but now they look exactly the same as the swatches. I mean, now it doesn't look bad with a little bit of color. I think my least favorite will be the white one, this one, but I really like how it shines. Right now I really liked it, maybe like with color because I applied it with no color, but now I have color because of the matte. So the matte ones really stain your lips in a way, which I think this is good because when you're done eating or something, like when you're done eating, sometimes you have nothing on your lips and your lips look pale. So I actually like when something stains my lips. So now I'm going to swatch some more cream colors just to see if they look kind of metallic-y. So this one's 365, which is Enchantress Blush. This is like a Barbie color. Oh, I really like Barbie colors. So, I mean, they're shiny, and because of my light, see, this is how it actually looks when I look at it. Like this, but I have the light right here, so obviously it's gonna look like a metallic-y color, but this is exactly how it looks. So I think that's why it just looks kind of like metallic-y when I was showing you guys when I applied the cream color, and I said, oh wait, it looks kind of metallic-y because of my lighting, because I have like a big light right here because my ring light broke.
You have Gucci.
Huh?
You have a Gucci thing? Where did you get Gucci stuff?
Dillard's.
I want to get Gucci stuff, you know why? Because it'll make you look richer.
You know what these ones work really good for? I'm gonna show you right now. Like to make that ombre color. I'm not really liking how it looks on my lips because there is no chapped. Let me show you guys. You guys, I wasn't recording. I don't know. Okay, So as you guys saw, I got this dirty, so I applied the pink lipstick I had on before, and I went like this to show you guys how you can make a matte color. And that's what I did, and I can't record it again because I already did it. But you could use the white ones for that. Well guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very excited for the metallic ones. I think they are really pretty. And that was pretty much it what I got. I really do like them. How I told you guys, if I don't like something that I get, I let you guys know even if they send it out and I didn't pay anything. Like the musket, like on my previous video, you guys see me telling you guys what I liked the most and what I didn't like. Maybe you guys don't like it, but what I did notice, you guys could see some pink underneath. After applying the pink color, the matte one, I kind of stained my lips a little bit, but I kind of like that because when I'm done eating, sometimes like your lips are pale because everything comes off completely, and I like when a little stain sticks on me. But I mean, pinks and reds actually stain your skin, so maybe that's why. And I'm really excited to get this because I really like it, and the lip liners are awesome the way that they are made. That was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed down below, and don't forget to turn in your bell. Turn in. We're not in school, right? Don't forget to turn on
the notification bell.
Yes, don't forget. Thank you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you guys don't have it on, so that way you guys don't miss on videos and you guys can be the first one to get notified. Other than that, I need to stop making my intros too long because I repeat the same thing over and over again. That was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, those are composed lipsticks.
Take this out. Oh, yes, I could take